So welcome everyone. Today we are going to be looking at the best place, the best region to buy BTC right now. We all know that right now the BTC has been pumping and we are on an uptrend. We can see that the market is on an uptrend and we have been pumping high. Why should we invest in BTC? Look at this for example. Most people will buy BTC when it was at this support level, this support level. They will see the BTC, they would have gained a lot of money from it. Look at it when the BTC made an high of 1,112 then, but they came and these people bought it from that place. So when it comes to investment, your boldness is what really actually matters in trading. Like now, you can see that BTC came then to 75. It came to 75 then. Then from 75, BTC break the high again. And right now that when it breaks the high, where should we be looking for our entry? Then just like when it comes to trading, we follow the cycle of how things have happened in the past, and that is the best place for you to buy. Look at this for example. You can't just go into this market right now and just buy it from there. You have to look for your level, the regions. You know that once the market comes there, it must not come back. It must not break it for it to continue in that trend. Look at this for example. We are pushing highs from here, right? We push high from here to here, went up. This is an uptrend, right? We did what? We came low again. Then we didn't break above with a body candle, but we already have an high here. So for us as a trader, then the best place for us to look for our region of buying should be at the region, on a weekly time frame, should be at this region where the market just broke, like this region, because there are three pullback at that region. So that region really matters a lot. So we should be looking for our own sell at this region, but we can't just sell it as unless you are a investor. That is when you can enter this market directly like this. But if you are not an investor, you will want, like if you are a day trader or a monthly trader, like a day trader, like most especially, or a week trader, a swing trader, but most especially for a week trade, a daily trader, then you have to look down and check the week daily time frame to see if the region we pick out has a lot of rejections at that level, to see if that region really matters. Then we can see that what we have, what 1 2 3 touches inside the region. Then we are going to do what we are going to draw it a little bit down again to make sure we capture the most important part of the market and not just anyhow place. So then we have to narrow it down again. Since we get the region on the weekly time, on a daily time frame again, we have to narrow our region down again to 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, we can see a lot of noise in the market. But one thing is that the most important region to us should be the region that is, things that happen recently. Things that happen recently. That is the most important thing we want. So for us as a trader, we will be looking at the recent, if there's so much support at the recent level, the recent level. So as for now, we can see that what we look at the recent level, the region that has the highest number of support. Yeah. So right now, if we look at this level, we can see that what this region do have what high numbers of support, right? What do I mean? Like you can see at this level, you can see what you can see one point again. You see the market tapping to it again. Very, and there was a strong pullback from that region again. You can see again at this level, these two. You can see it. The market do what came there, You can also see that at this level also, so that region has been a region that the most of the traders really liked a lot. Once it comes there, they do a lot, and a huge activity occurs at that level. Then the second level we can also look out for is this level. We're on a 4-hour time frame right now, as you can see. This level, this level, we can also see that at that level there is a lot of activity at that level. But which one is the most important one? Though we can't say for real, I mean for exactly, but right now we have to count the level that has the highest number of support level. Look at this, for example. We can see here that we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This lower level for, let me bring it out so that you can see it very well. You can see that that level has what? It has 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see this. You can see this. I'm coming. So we can actually see that this level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a lot of this. Even in recent activity, there are a lot of reactions at this level. So as for me, as a trader, you should be looking at regions that has the highest number of rejection. You can see that even the pump started from this region. We actually what? We are actually going lower and lower. Then there was a sudden pump at this level. So at this level, we will be looking for more reaction to see what will happen there. And also at this level, we can also see that what there's 1, 2, 3. What one thing you should know is that once the level has 4 points, 4 or 3 reactions at that level, the level matters. So one thing you have to do as a trader right now is what is for you to wait for market to come to this region, to those 2 levels which we have picked out. Let us maybe so that we can see it more clearly. Those 2 levels we've picked out, you wait for the market to enter into that zone so you can continue maybe pushing so that we can continue pushing highs. So we have to make sure that we wait so that the market will do what? The market come to that region, taps into it, and once the market taps into it, we wait for confirmation. 2 type of confirmation we are actually waiting for. We want to see that the market maybe probably come like this. Once the market comes like this, push low and do what? Maybe like this. Let us see the market do like this, and to this level gives us like a strong confirmation, like which are like the bullish and bearish engulfing candle. Then we wait for the market to break this level high. Then once it breaks this level high, we wait for confirmation at either of this level. Maybe it taps back into the level, or the market rests on this support and give us confirmation. Then we can start pushing high. And based on look of things right now, we can see that every time BTC pumps, we have at least to know where you want to put your next take profit, right? You have to calculate. Look at it. At this point, the market, the highest point before was what? 1,000. 100 and what? 111. Let's just say 112. 112k. But right now, the market do what? The latest highs was what? Latest breakout was the highest high was what? It was 123k. So right now, if you want to pick your next TP, you should either be taking your TP at this level, which is what? 123k, or you add more to it. Add the difference between the latest one, which is like what? If you subtract 123 from 1112, that will be like 10k. Then your next TP for the market should be around what? 100 and what? 132k. According, when we follow the market, we actually follow it based on what, the activities it has been doing. So once the market come back to this level, we expect the market to start pushing nice. So thank you. If you like the video today, make sure you like and subscribe. But let me show you first. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so that you can keep seeing videos like this, videos on financial and best ways and regions for you to buy and sell your market. So we wait for either of these two regions. You can see that region gives you more risk to reward ratio, which is like 1:6 and the likes. So thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and let's know your thoughts and the next market you want us to analyze on.